Hey guys, back with another video, and this is for my Tesla guys and girls out there. So yesterday, Tesla out of the blue introduced two new colors on their inventory. So if you want to order a premium Model Y or a Tesla Model 3 premium rear-wheel drive, you have the option of a new blue color called Marine Blue. It's okay. It's a little bit darker than the previous ones, but like I said, that's the only model you can get that color on. Now they introduced another one, the famous frost blue that was introduced on the latest or the last models of the Model S and the Model X. So since they killed those two models off, they introduced it to the Model 3 and Model Y. But the catch is you have to buy the performance models, so Performance Model Y and Performance Model 3. The frost blue to me is one of the best colors besides Quicksilver, which is another beautiful color. It makes the car look like a spaceship. And so yeah, those are the two new colors introduced. I wish Tesla would introduce even more colors, but again, they're into simplifying the manufacturing process and pumping out as many Teslas as possible. So for you guys and gals that are on the edge of ordering or leasing a new Tesla, do you prefer these colors over the regular white, diamond black, or would you rather stick with those simple colors? Like I said, you can also wrap them if you want to. That's another big thing with Teslas. A lot of people love wrapping their Tesla, especially the Cybertruck. That'd be kind of cool seeing the frost blue metallic Cybertruck, but that's besides the point. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I just wanted to give you a quick update on that. If you are deciding or on the fence of ordering a Tesla, yeah, leave a comment down below. Hopefully there are more things ahead, like the Roadster, that they might show this month or at the end of the year at this point. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Again, comment, subscribe, like. Peace.